I've bought another Salvage title car, and it's the car behind me. In this video I'm going to be introducing you to my new daily driver. It's not a project, doesn't need any work doing to it, the car's already done. But have I got some plans for this car? Let's have a closer look at this little beauty, this little motor, and yeah, go through some of the things I like about it and some of the things I don't like about it. On the Bluemotion Polo, you've got these alloys that they put on there. These are not a standard. They're not standard on the Polos. The typical Polo that you get actually has better alloys than the Bluemotion, which I find to be a little bit confusing. But I really don't like them, so I'm probably going to be doing something about that in the future. Again, there's one of the alloys protruding thing. Rev up your engines! Oh, wait, that's not me. That's got to kill me. Now that's over, let's talk about the boot size. Boot size of the Polo, good size. You get a lot of shopping in there if need be. That's the back of the car. I like the back of this car, to be fair. Not too sure how I feel about this bumper. That is the typical bumper they have on the Bluemotions, but I think on this car I'm probably going to be changing that. The spoiler on the car is, I don't really know, it's a bit square, you know? It's a bit square. And it's a bit of a love-hate thing when I think of this particular spoiler. I don't know whether I like it or whether I hate it, but we'll see what we're going to be doing with that in the future. The roof is nice and plain. Glass of the car is just your standard glass. There's no tint on that. You can see right through that window and also the back. No privacy, man. No privacy. But yeah, generally the car is actually in quite good condition. I can tell this is a category N car, and I can tell where the incident happened on this car because this particular wing, although in real life it's actually quite hard to tell, looks like it's an off color compared to the other silver in the car. So I think I'm going to be doing something about that in the in an upcoming video. I think I'll probably respray that, but I don't know if I'll post the video online. That's the car in general. Thought I'd just give you a little walk around before we get started on the modifications.